I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just playing with y'all. Nah, but real talk, I got a subject I want to talk about. Pretty common, you know. Oh, y'all already know. Stud on stud. I just gotta put my little 2 cents in, you know. Alright, if a stud wants to be with another stud, what's the problem? I don't see the problem. I don't see a problem. I mean, at the end of the day, if you look at it, studs, they like girls. When they get to the bedroom, they take off their clothes. They're both girls. It's the same thing. Same thing with films on films. Ain't nobody got no problem with that. People got a problem with studs on studs just because they both dress like dudes. What? Then you hear people like people that ain't gay talking about something they gay. What? Yes, they are gay. You mean they gay because they both studs? They walking down the street holding hands? So what? They can do what they want. They like girls. That's a girl. Just because she dressed like a boy. Maybe that's just how they feel comfortable. Me, I just feel comfortable in boy clothes. Not necessarily saying I'm a stud. I feel comfortable in boy clothes. I'm not necessarily attracted to studs. I mean, but if I was, I mean, I wouldn't care what other people think. And other people need to back off. Like, all this hatred within the gay community really, like, needs to stop. Because, like, we come into the gay community looking for a way out of being hated against by regular people and all of that stuff, and we get into the gay community and we still get hated on. Like, seriously, it needs to stop. Like, we just need to come together. If a stud want to date a stud, let them date a stud. Like, even with the gay community, as far as the males or whatever, you know, they got tops and bottoms. If a top want to date a top, let a top date a top. That's something they gonna have to work out. If a bottom want to date a bottom, they can date each other, and that's something they just gonna have to work out. Same thing with girls. A stud want to date a stud, they can do that. They can work it out in the bedroom, whatever. It's whatever they want to do. And it's really about personality. If you want to be with that person, you like that person, then do you. Don't let nobody else tell you, oh, well, nah, we can't be cool because you a stud and you up here looking at other studs and stuff, and that ain't cool. What do you mean? A stud is a girl, too. If you gay, if you gay and you happen to be a stud, you look at another stud, it's still a female. It don't matter. So just do you. Don't let nobody tell you don't do this, don't do that. That's gay. What? Yes, it is gay. We are all gay. We are all gay. So it don't matter. Fuck it. I'm done.